The Floki ecosystem continues to expand, and with latest updates to their Floki Trading Bot, this is where you're going to be able to experience the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram. And in today's sponsored review video by Floki, we're going to be telling you all about these massive updates, how you can earn some sweet rewards, what Floki is, and how you can benefit from learning about this ecosystem. But please understand that we're not financial advisors, and full disclosure, we do hold these cryptocurrency assets. Cryptocurrency trading is very risky, never risk more than you can afford to lose. And nothing in this video is financial advice, rather just education teaching you about Floki and their ecosystem. So if you're ready to learn, we're ready to teach. Let's get started. Floki is the people's cryptocurrency, and they have vastly expanded their entire ecosystem. Valhalla is right around the corner, and in today's video, we're going to be focusing on their trading bot, how you can earn some sweet rewards, and how you can use this tool to snipe some of those new crypto launches and be able to trade in and out of cryptos just like that. So let's get into the rest of this video, but before we do, what exactly is Floki and why should you learn about it here today? Floki is the people's cryptocurrency, and it's also the utility token for the Floki ecosystem. Focused on utility, community, philanthropy, and strategic marketing, Floki is working toward becoming the world's most recognized and used cryptocurrency. Today, they have more than 490,000 holders globally, and Floki has already established itself as a strong brand presence. Now, the Floki token is also the utility token powering the community Floki ecosystem. And within the Floki ecosystem, which aims to give people control of their finances through 6 utility offerings, including the Valhalla NFT Metaverse game, which is set to launch Q1 of 2025, the Floki Trading Bot, the Floki DeFi ecosystem, the University of Floki crypto education platform, the TokenFly platform, the Floki staking program, and the Floki Place NFT and merchandise marketplace. As you can see, the Floki ecosystem is vast and has several multiple industries within the blockchain. For today's video though, we're just going to focus on the Floki Trading Bot and their massive updates. But as you can see, it's clear that there is much more than just a meme coin here with Floki. So what is Floki Trading Bot? Well, in essence, it's really the fastest and easiest way to buy tokens. And it's a Telegram bot that allows you to manage your hot wallet through the interface of your Telegram chats. This is where you're going to be able to buy, sell cryptocurrencies across different blockchains, including mainnets of Ethereum, Coinbase's Base, Binance's BNB chain, and recently Solana as well. Now, they even have their very own Twitter, which I just followed here today, at Floki Trading Bot. Again, this is where you're able to experience the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage your tokens directly from Telegram. And they also just posted here exciting news. Floki Trading Bot expands to Solana. The Floki Trading Bot now supports trading on the Solana blockchain, currently in beta as part of our growing multi-chain capabilities beyond Ethereum, BNB, and Base networks. So you might be wondering, well, why did they expand to Solana? This is where you're able to trade your favorite Solana tokens seamlessly and experience the speed and scalability this blockchain is known for. While it is still in beta, we're refining the experience to ensure it's as smooth and efficient as possible. Be among one of the first ones to explore the Solana ecosystem with the Floki Trading Bot and level up your multi-chain game today. So here on tb.floki.com, this will walk you through really the step-by-step of how to set up the trading bot. They even have a really great explainer video here, which I'm going to share with you in just a second. But what I want you to understand is that the reason why you would actually use a trading bot is so that you don't have to deal with decentralized exchanges, transaction confirmation, or slippage issues that cost you a lot of money. Often this can mean the difference between a 1x and 5x on your trades. And here we just go where the data goes, and Floki has some amazing data, especially with their trading bot. You can see the trade volume has been over 167 million with over 64,000 users and over 81,000 different trades. And another really sweet perk about using the trading bot is that you get rewarded for doing so. As a Floki Trading Bot user, you gain access to exclusive rewards, early bird opportunities, and token distributions. Thanks to Floki's strong brand and industry influence, many high-profile projects have chosen to allocate a portion of their token supply exclusively to their community. For example, here is one of their case studies. In a highly anticipated Simon's Cat launch, 1.5% of the cat supply, which is potentially valued in the high 7 to 8 figures, will be reserved solely for Floki Trading Bot users. And this is just the beginning. Even more exciting partnerships as they continue to partner with top-tier projects in the crypto space, which leads us to Floki launching a massive marketing campaign with CoinGecko to showcase its trading bot to millions of new crypto users. Floki is excited to announce a groundbreaking campaign with CoinGecko, the world's largest independent cryptocurrency data aggregator, in a strategic 3-month marketing campaign that will introduce Floki Trading Bot to millions of users worldwide. The campaign is starting on January 31st, so at the time of this recording, it's just a few days away. Now, the campaign will showcase Floki's Trading Bot access on CoinGecko's entire ecosystem. That's over 167 million monthly page views, 111 million monthly users, 9.91 million total app downloads, 3 million social media followers, and coverage over 16,000 plus crypto assets across over 1,000 different exchanges. The campaign will feature high visibility assets including top premium leading board banners, row banners, in-app programmatic banners, dedicated video content, mobile push notifications, and social media exposure on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The campaign is expected to generate 12.9 million impressions over a period of 3 months, significantly boosting the visibility and adoption of the Floki Trading Bot. So if you're ready to find those next hot crypto projects and you're sick and tired of not getting in early, Floki Trading Bot offers you a very unique opportunity. Let's check out their brand new video here over on their X account.
Tired of missing out on the hottest token projects in Web3? Trading activities on Web3 are fast-paced. By the time you connect your wallet to the right DEX, you've already lost your opportunity. Meet Floki Trading Bot, the simplest and fastest way to buy and manage tokens straight from Telegram. With just a few taps, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in seconds across different chains directly from your Telegram app. Buy trending tokens instantly with just a few clicks. Our DEX aggregator automatically routes to the right DEX, so you don't have to search for it yourself. You can set snipe orders to catch opportunities in advance. Floki Trading Bot supports more than 10 languages. You can now trade using the language you are most comfortable with. Our one-of-a-kind solution protects your funds with military-grade security. No one has access to your private key except for you. Floki Trading Bot collaborates with high-profile projects to facilitate token airdrops, offering you exclusive tokens from some of the most exciting projects in the crypto space. Good news to our faithful Floki supporters. 50% of all fees go to buying and burning Floki tokens. Start trading now on Floki Trading Bot to never miss out on the next 100x opportunities again.
So as you can see, some really pretty cool stuff here when it comes to the Floki Trading Bot. Now, in this video, I want to share with you exactly how to work this step by step. They have a great video, again, over on their main website here that'll teach you exactly how to use the Floki Trading Bot. Let's go ahead and roll this video.
How to use the Floki Trading Bot. Go to tb.floki.com. Click on Start Trading Now. Open the Telegram link. Click on Start. Click on Generate Wallet. Copy the wallet address to your clipboard by clicking on it. Then go back to the main menu. Now send some BNB from an external wallet to fund your Trading Bot wallet. Refresh your wallet and click Start again. Here you will see the funds you've just sent. Click on Trading Bot. Paste the contract address of the token you want to buy. Click on the amount you want to buy or click on Other Amount. Wait for the transaction to submit to the blockchain. And that's it. You just purchased tokens with the Floki Trading Bot. Good luck.
So now that you know even more about the Floki Trading Bot, how it works, and how to actually get it set up, make sure to stay tuned for exciting new features, as we've already discussed the Solana support and their beta testing, as well as limit orders, Floki Launchpad integration, sniper mode, and much more. And if you have any questions, simply go to the bottom of their website and click the Q&A, and follow Floki over on their X account at RealFlokiEnu, as well as their Trading Bot account at Floki Trading Bot. And as one last bonus before we wrap up this video, please understand that this is a game changer for Floki, as a lot more competitions are coming very soon. Right now, you can earn some points by trading any single token. Whether you're trading Floki token or or any other non-competitive tokens, your trades now contribute points to multiple competitors simultaneously. Here's how it works and why it's a must-try for new traders. First, you can trade any single token and earn 0.25 points for every $1 traded on any trade token in the Floki Trading Bot. Now, competition-specific tokens like Cat and Monkey are excluded from this rule. You also can earn double the rewards, Points for trading non-competition tokens are credited to all active competitors. For example, trade $1 of Floki to earn 0.25 in the Simon Cat competition and 0.25 also in the Wise Monkey competition. Now you can earn points in multiple competitions with every single trade. By trading non-competitive tokens, you're doubling the chances of climbing the leaderboards and securing bigger rewards. Diversify your trades, exploring new tokens, and earn even more points in your competitors used to care about. Here are some examples. Example 1. A user trades $10 of Floki. You're going to earn 2.5 points in Simon's Cat competition and 2.5 in the Wise Monkey competition. And in their second scenario, if you trade $10 of the Wise Monkey token, you earn 10 points in the Wise Monkey competition, but you do not earn any other points in the Simon Cat competition. Some important details to remember. Points earned by trading cat and monkey are calculated according to their respective competition rules. The new rule applies to only non-competitive tokens, allowing you to earn 0.25% for every $1 traded across competitions. And why you should start trading these tokens today is because this new rule is your chance to amplify your rewards while trading smarter. So if you already have these cryptocurrency assets and you're going to trade them anyways, you might as well use the token trading bot and earn some sweet rewards. You can increase your chances with trading streaks and trade $5,000 or more any token on a chain within a single day counts towards that streak. The streak period starts and ends at 0.000000 and ends at 23:59:59. If you miss a day, your streak resets to 0 and you'll need to start over again. But if you streak for a while, 5 days you get 5 extra points, 10 days 10% extra points, 15 days 15 extra points, and 20-day streak you'll earn 20% bonus point towards your trade. So to learn even more and set up the Floki Trading Bot for yourself with your Telegram, simply click the links down below in the description because this is one of the fastest and easiest ways for you to buy, sell, and trade these new cryptocurrency assets today. Thanks again for watching this review video. We'll see you in the next ones. Stay tuned.